Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear second year students? I am your maths teacher, Ms. Shaista Usman. Today I will give you basic concepts and introduction of chapter number 5, that is linear inequalities and linear programmings. First concept is here about inequality. As students, you know about equality expressions are those expressions in which equality sign exists. But in inequality expressions, there exists one sign out of these four: less than, greater than, less than or equals, greater than or equals. In any expression, if any one sign out of these four exists, such type of expressions are known as inequality expressions. For example, 5 is less than 9. This is also an inequality expression. Second one is linear inequality. In linear inequality expressions, for example, cx plus ty is greater than or equals, less than or equals to 0, are such type of expressions in which variable x and y have maximum power 1. There are two variables in this expression, number 1 x, number 2 y. Both have maximum power 1. So such type of expressions in which the maximum power of variable is 1 known as linear inequality expressions. In this expression, all four signs are exist here: greater than, less than, greater than or equals, less than or equals. Third one is the important MCQ of this chapter: graph of linear inequality. Remember it, graph of linear inequality is always half plane. We will discuss this half plane in detail in exercise. Fourth one is solution of inequality. This is also an important MCQ. What is the solution of linear inequality? Cx plus dy is greater than e. This is an inequality expression. There are two variables x and y. All those values of x and y in which equality satisfies. For all values of x and y for which this expression satisfy are known as the solution of this linear inequality. For example, to clear this concept, I am giving you example: 2x plus 3y is greater than or equals to 7. Consider I have taken two values. Value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. When I have put the values of x and y in this expression, our left hand side value is 8, that is greater than 7. So this value satisfies this expression. So these two values 1 and 2 are known as the solution of this linear inequality. So all those values which satisfy, all those values of x and y which satisfy this expression are known as the solution of this linear inequality. In MCQ, different values of x and y are given. In MCQ A, B, C, D. Put all values one by one in the given expression. The values which satisfy the given expression are known as the solution of that linear inequality. Next concept is, you have seen such type of graphs, such type of lines, horizontal line and vertical line in your physics book. This horizontal line is known as x-axis while this vertical line is known as y-axis. Always remember, the value of y on x-axis is equal to 0. When the value of y is 0, this is known as equation of x-axis. Above this horizontal line, there is some value of y exists here, so it is written as y is greater than 0. When y is greater than 0, this is called upper half plane. There y is greater than 0, it is known as upper half plane or open upper half plane. But if this y is greater than 0 written in this form, y is greater than 0 or equals to 0, if there exists equality sign with greater than sign, y is greater than or equals to 0, then it is known as closed upper half plane. Below this horizontal line, there is also some value of y exists here, but on opposite side, this is written as y is less than 0 and can be written as y less than 0 lower half plane or open lower half plane. But if it is written in this form, y is less than or equals to 0, this is known as closed lower half plane. Same case is along y-axis. Along y-axis, remember it, value of x is always 0. When value of x is equal to 0, this is known as equation of y-axis. When x is greater than 0, this is right half plane. When value of x is less than 0, this is left half plane. These all concepts are important according to your MCQs. Now, what is associated equation? For example, girl, this cx plus dy is greater than e. This is an inequality expression. 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 7. This is also an inequality expression. Ax plus by is less than c. This is also an inequality expression. To write inequality expressions, linear inequality expression in equality form by replacing less than, greater than sign with equality. Such type of equation is known as associated equation of that linear inequality expression. Further concept is x-intercept. As you know, this horizontal line is known as x-axis. Any line which touch this horizontal line at any point is known as x-intercept. On x-intercept, there is some value of x exists, but the value of y is always 0. Y-intercept, along this vertical line, this one is vertical line known as y-axis. Any line which cuts this vertical line at any point is known as y-intercept. On y-intercept, value of x is always 0, while y have some value along x-axis. These are x-intercept and y-intercept. First of all, I have given you concept about equality. Second one about inequality with 4 signs. Third one about linear inequality. Fourth, where I have told you the important MCQ, the graph of linear inequality is half plane. Fifth one is what is the solution of linear inequality, how we will calculate, how we will find the solution of linear equality. And next one about x-axis and y-axis. These concepts we have discussed here. And next one is associated, what is associated equation, x-intercept and y-intercept. These are basic concepts before starting chapter number 5. So please learn and memorize these concepts. They will helpful in chapter number 5. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.